Hey everyone, it's Sunday, so it's time for a quick weekly update. Last week I made a tutorial on simplifying algebraic fractions, and in that tutorial I start with introductory examples, and there are many more tutorials on that specific topic that I'll be making. Unfortunately though, I suffered from a bit of a cold last week, and making tutorials with a cold, well, yeah, not the best of ideas. One good thing has come of that cold though. It's led me to reorganize how I'm going to be doing these weekly updates. From now on in these weekly updates, I'll be telling you what I actually did throughout the week, and therefore which new content you'll be able to find, whether that be on my website or on my YouTube channel. And in each case, I'll add a link to those new resources in the description down below. On top of all that, I'll use this weekly update to answer any specific questions or requests any of you may have made throughout the week. For instance, this week on my YouTube channel, one of you asked me whether or not I can make a tutorial in which I show you how to add three fractions using the least common multiple. In other words, the least common denominator. And actually, I think that's a great idea, so if I find the time this week, I will definitely be doing that and letting you know throughout the week. And there we have it. That's it from me. Have a great week, everyone.